Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple but really useful feature on WhatsApp for PC, the ability to pop out a group chat into its own separate window. This update makes multitasking easier and keeps conversations more accessible while you're working or browsing. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so that all your chats are synced and ready to go. Once you're inside the app, you'll see your usual list of recent conversations on the left side of the screen. Next, scroll through that list until you find the group chat you'd like to pop out. It could be a work group, a friend's chat, or any conversation that you want to keep open while you do other things on your computer. Take your time and locate the right group. Now, here's the new feature. Instead of just clicking to open the chat as usual, move your mouse over the group name in the chat list. Right-click on it. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Pop-out Chat. Go ahead and select it. Instantly, the group chat will open in its own separate window. You can drag this window anywhere on your desktop, resize it, and keep it visible while you continue working in other apps or browsing the web. What's great about this feature is how it allows you to stay connected without being locked inside the main WhatsApp window. For example, you can draft an email, edit a document, or watch a video while keeping the group conversation active on the side. No more switching back and forth constantly. Everything is right where you need it. To return the group chat to the main WhatsApp app, you can simply close the popped-out window. The conversation will still be in your regular chat list, so you won't lose anything. That's all it takes. With just a few simple clicks, you can make group conversations more manageable and always within reach. Try it out with one of your most active groups and see how much easier it makes staying connected throughout the day. Thanks for watching.